Torrential slide cost truly equivalent to $21.8511 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchanged cost range. 20.7722, 22.0842, which especially is very huge. The earlier day close. 22.0044 in an unpretentious way. The change sort of was 0.1533, 0.70% in an essentially significant way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Avax, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, November 20. Cost $21.51, certainly greatest 23.02, most certainly least 20.00 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $19.97, really greatest 21.37, sort of least 18.57, or so they thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $22.35, lovely most extreme 23.91, really least 20.79, which certainly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, November 23. Cost $25.93, certainly greatest 27.75, essentially least 24.11, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, November 24. Cost $27.70, all things considered, greatest 29.64, certainly least 25.76, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. And multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday, November 27. Cost $23.73, especially greatest 25.39, in every practical sense, least 22.07, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $27.05, essentially greatest 28.94, genuinely least 25.16 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $30.40, genuinely greatest 32.53, fundamentally least 28.27, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost $33.95, extremely greatest 36.33, essentially least 31.57 incredibly. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, December 1. Cost $33.92, kind of greatest 36.29, least 31.55, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost $34.77, genuinely greatest 37.20, sort of least 32.34, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $34.24, most certainly greatest 36.64, exceptionally least 31.84. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $35.53, genuinely greatest 38.02, genuinely least 33.04 in a for the most part large manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost $36.23, kind of greatest 38.77, extremely least 33.69, showing how torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost $33.95, really most extreme 36.33, fundamentally least 31.57, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, December 8. Cost $36.56, kind of most extreme 39.12, really least 34.00, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, December 11. Cost $37.26, truly greatest 39.87, sort of least 34.65 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $36.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme 38.74, sort of least 33.68. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $39.04, lovely most extreme 41.77, exceptionally least 36.31 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, December 14. Cost $38.63, essentially greatest 41.33, sort of least 35.93, or so they thought. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, December 15. Cost $38.91, by and large most extreme 41.63, especially least 36.19, which is very critical. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, December 18. Cost $40.28, extremely greatest 43.10, lovely least 37.46 in an exceptionally enormous way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $41.77, genuinely greatest 44.69, lovely least 38.85, or so they really thought. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale equivalent to 0.0458 coins per $1, showing how torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost $36.23, extremely greatest 38.77, kind of least 33.69, exhibiting how torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost $33.95, truly greatest 36.33, sort of least 31.57 and in every way that really matters. Huge way. Today's reach. 0.0453 0.0481, which really is very critical. The past day's nearby. 0.0454, which in every practical sense is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0004, plus 0.88% amazingly. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, November 20. Cost 0.046 coins, truly greatest 0.050, for the most part least 0.043, or so they by and large thought. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 0.050 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.054, lovely least 0.047. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 0.045 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.048, lovely least 0.042 in an extremely enormous way. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Thursday, November 23. Cost 0.039 coins, especially greatest 0.041, sort of least 0.036, which certainly is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Friday, November 24. Cost 0.036 coins, certainly greatest 0.039, especially least 0.034, or so they for the most part thought. In multi-week United States dollars to Avax expectation on Monday, November 27. Cost 0.042 coins, for the most part greatest 0.045, certainly least 0.039, showing how torrential slide figure on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $34.